Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle and today we are in Atami.
This is the express-bound for Odawara. We will soon arrive at Odawara Terminal, boating 47.
Atami Nakamise. This one is their Shotengai. This is where you buy the souvenirs. Wow. I'm hungry, so we're looking for a place to eat. What's this? Shizuoka. Atami Sun Beach, but they're doing something there, so we cannot take the way, so we have to go to another way. Probably we can take this way to go to the beach. We found the beach. There you go, Sun Beach.
You can swim if you want.
I think it's cold.
It's cold. Yeah, if you can stand the cold.
Let me see. It's cold. Oh, the water is blue. We're now going to our hotel. Our hotel's name is Livemax. Oceanfront. Is it oceanfront? Seafront. Livemax Seafront. And it's really close to the Sun Beach. It's just there. There. The room that we booked has rotemburo, open air bath. So can you see those brown something, and then there's like black curtains so that other people cannot see you when you take bath. This hotel has two options if you want to book the seafront, the beachfront, or the city front. So if you book that city front, your room will be facing this building, this old building. And according to some reviews, yeah, it's a bit creepy. And the difference is like 10,000 yen. If you book this one, that's 10,000 yen cheaper. If you book the beachfront, the seafront, it's 10,000 yen more expensive. Oh, wow. Oh, they have karaoke.
Yeah.
And ocean view pool. 6th floor. Here's a toilet. Okay, just toilet, no shower here. And this is our bed. Twin beds. And there's the TV. And here's the table. Free coffee. And there's also free coffee downstairs. Here is the sink. with, what's this? Wow, hair milk, gel lotion, cleansing oil, and body milk. Wow. Good. And you bring this when you go to the public onsen, public bath. It's on the 9th floor. And this is the shower room. Oh, okay. Shower room, and that's your rotambura out there. Your outside bath. Yay! Filled with water, and then you have this. We have this view. There's a lot of izakaya close to our accommodation. Woohoo! Wow, I like the vibes here. It's Monday, guys. Right now it's Monday. So I think that's the reason why there are not so many people, but still there are some people. Wow. Ooh. There's a photo cafe here. You can have coffee. Atami Ginza. Wow. There are a lot of izakayas here, so it means you need to do izakaya hopping. Salt caramel, Atami pudding. Custard cream, taiyaki.
I like the bread.
Yeah, the bread is very tasty. I can see the ferry from Hatsushima. That's Hatsushima. And this is the ferry going back to Atami. Wow, it's so fast. Yeah, the last ferry I think is at around 5:20. So we don't have enough time today.